What's the meaning of court costs? Court costs. Court costs.
Court costs. Court costs. Court costs refer to the fees and expenses incurred during legal proceedings, including filing fees, service fees, and other related expenses. These costs typically cover administrative fees associated with legal proceedings, such as document preparation and processing fees, as well as costs associated with serving legal papers and summoning witnesses. The amount of court costs varies depending on the nature of the legal case and the jurisdiction where the proceedings take place. Ultimately, court costs are an additional expense that litigants must pay in order to pursue their legal claims through the court system.